welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a great day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, jewelry, accessories, purses. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings and makeup hauls and all kinds of fun stuff like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. As you can see, today we have our January 2020 Thrift-A-Bag. So if you do not know what Thrift-A-Bag is, it is a monthly subscription. You receive 3 purses, handbags, wallets, backpacks, lunch bags. You can receive all kinds of different purse and handbag related items, and it is always amazing. Now I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out, as well as a promo code to save you $5 off your first month. One thing I also want to let you guys know that I really do like is now this subscription is offered bi-monthly and even quarterly. So if you don't want to get it every month, you don't have to. And it is a one-woman show. I don't know how she does it. She does it every month by herself. It's amazing. She's fantastic. The bags, if they're not brand new, because sometimes you do receive new bags, they are immaculate. They look brand new. You would never know if it is a pre-owned bag that it is pre-owned. I think that is fantastic. And I do just love the subscription so much because you just receive such a great variety of purses and bags and totes and just amazing things. And they're brands that you love, like Michael Kors, Coach, Calvin Klein, Ralph Lauren, Vera Bradley. You know, there are so many amazing brands, and it's just, it blows my mind. Like, I don't know how she does it to, like I said, be either brand new. I mean, I've received new Coach wallets and purses, and it's just crazy. Like, how does she do this? So if you love handbags and all of the stuff like that, like I said, like wallets and wristlets and backpacks and lunch totes, definitely check it out. Like I said, that link will be down below. We're going to get in here and see what we got for January 2020. And yeah, one thing, I did go ahead and open this or cut it. One thing I love is, and here it is, she always includes a gift bag, because she does let you, you do fill out kind of like a style profile when you sign up. So you can let her know, maybe color preferences and style preferences, but it's not going to always be guaranteed that you're going to receive, every item exactly tailored to your preferences, because she's going based off of what she can find at great deals. That is how she can do the subscription, to give you 3 items every month. And it blows my mind how she does it. I don't know how she does it. I don't. But she gives you a gift bag in case one of the items isn't really your style. You can gift it. I love that touch. So here we have our paper, our January thrift bag. And yeah, I've pretty much gone over everything here. So we're just going to get into what's in here and go from there. So we will start with this guy. And this is Calvin Klein. This is brand new. I don't know how she does this. Like, it still has the tags. I mean, there's even still Calvin Klein tissue paper in there. But you can see the outside has this cute Calvin Klein little lock. And then you have a pocket here. You have a zipper pouch. And then inside another zipper pouch. So there's room for storage in this. And then you even have like a little part here on the back where you could store things. Excuse me. This is a crossbody bag for sure. This was originally $138. And this is a color I think that you really could use pretty much year round. It's the Calvin Klein Leather Roxy Crossbody Bag. So that's awesome, y'all. All right, and then let's see. We have, excuse me, something. I'll put this down here. Something has got a hold of me. And then, what is this? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. What is this? Make happy? Y'all, this is adorable. We don't just make bags, we make happy. Kipling. This is not a brand I have heard of, but it still has tags, so it is brand new as well. Kipling Bustling Petals 100 Pins Cosmetic Travel Case. It is gorgeous. I will give it that. But what had me laughing, you guys, how adorable is this? There's a little like gorilla. He's so cute. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So when you open it, there's literally all of these little, it said pins. I would put makeup brushes there. And then you have storage here because it's at a travel cosmetics bag. And I like that it's holding its shape. I like that a lot. And he's just so cute. So there is that guy. I love that. I love it. All right, and then the third item is a very pretty color. This is Gianni Bernini Pebbled Leather Mauve Convertible Satchel. And you guys, this still has tags on it as well. And this is what it looks like. We got some cute little tassels. This color is just gorgeous. I love this color so, so much. Is this not beautiful? Let's see. You open it up. All right, so there is a strap, so you could make it longer if you wanted to. There's a zipper pouch back here along the back. There's like a divided pouch, zipper pouch inside. And then here on the other side, it looks like you've got two pockets right there. I just think this is so cute. And this was originally $169. And this says leather with non-leather components, everything in its place. Adjustable shoulder strap, organizer pocket, smartphone pocket. I love that. And I just think that color, I can't get over that beautiful color. Like, that is just so, so beautiful. And again, I love that it has the option to be, you know, a longer purse, or if you want to carry it like this, I would probably just carry it. But I think that is so, so beautiful. So we have this here, again, the Gianni Bernini. This is Pebbled Leather Mauve Convertible Satchel. Gorgeous. We have the brand new Calvin Klein Crossbody Bag. Love it. And also brand new, this Kipling Again, this is a brand I have not heard of, but I think that this is a really great travel case for a travel cosmetics case. And I'm sorry, y'all, but he's my new friend. Is he not just the cutest little thing ever? Love that. Love it. So that was my January 2020. I'm still getting used to saying that. 2020 thrift bag. What did you guys think? Let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. Like I said, I will put the link to Thrift-A-Bag as well as that promo code to save you $5 off your first month down below in the description. So definitely go ahead, sign up if you are interested. If you love handbags, cosmetic cases. I have gotten totes, and I got a Kate Spade lunch bag one time. So yeah, there's always a great variety, and it's just, this box is always amazing. It truly is one of my favorite boxes to unbox every month. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.